The Bahamian Coppice forest is one of the most diverse terrestrial habitats and is the most widely distributed forest in the Bahamas. It consists of numerous species of both plants and animals, as well as many other types of organisms. The term coppice is an old forest management term. It describes the method of tree harvesting called coppicing, in which the mature trees were cut down, leaving only the stump, which would allow the growth of 2 or more new stems that would eventually mature and be cut again. Many of the plants in our coppice forests are important for maintaining fragile ecosystems. Take for example this fig tree. It produces fruits, which is an important source of food for many species of birds, insects, and bats. The fig tree is a unique tree species and has a mutualistic relationship with the special type of wasp that lays its eggs in the flowers within the fruit itself. Now this may sound a little strange, but the flowers of the fig tree aren't actually visible from the outside. In fact, in Chinese, the fig is translated to the fruit without flower. The wasp crawls into the fruit through the small stems of the plant, often badly hurting itself as it makes the trek. After entering the fruit, it lays its eggs while at the same time pollinating the internal flowers. These little guys are called fig wasps, and they only live for a few days. Often hidden within the coppice forest are impressive cave formations and blue holes that were formed thousands of years ago because of the erosion of limestone rock by fresh and brackish water. Birds, such as the banana quits, build beautiful, intricate, enclosed nests. They can be found within the coppice, carefully hidden away from the detection of predators. Many other species of birds also rely on the coppice for food and shelter. This Greater Antillean bullfinch is called a granivore, which means seed eating. This bird feeds on a variety of fruits and seeds, and it often supplements its diet with snails for extra protein and calcium. The great lizard cuckoo is an endemic subspecies that is found only on the islands of Andros and Eleuthera. This bird is the largest of the lizard cuckoos and is the biggest of the 3 species of cuckoos that are native to the Bahamas. It feeds on lizards and other small animals in the coppice forest. The Red-Legged Thresh is another species found in the Bahamian Coppice. This bird is the Bahamian equivalent of the American robin and can be found foraging and nesting throughout the coppice habitats in the North and Central Bahama Islands. It feeds on fruits, insects, as well as small lizards. At any given day, you will find that the coppice forest is always teeming with life. While taking a walk through it, you can find various species of beetles, which often lay their eggs in dead trees, like this dead gamelame tree. So how can you tell that there was a beetle invasion? Just check out these tiny circular holes on and in the trees. Insects like these are an important food source for hungry insect predators, like the hairy woodpecker. Another important insect species commonly found in the coppice is the Nassau termite, which can often build impressive nests in multiple places, on the ground, in the trees, or among these endemic Bahamian agave plants. Many species of reptiles can be found in the coppice forest as well. The saw-scale curly-tail is one of 5 species of curly-tail lizards that is found in the Bahamas and can be seen foraging in the coppice for fruits, flowers, and insects. The Bahamian Boa Constrictor is the largest native terrestrial predator in the Bahamas. Reaching lengths of 8 feet, it can feed on birds, frogs, rats, bats, and lizards. There are 5 species endemic to the Bahama archipelago. The largest native terrestrial herbivore in the Bahamas is the Bahamian rock iguana. These large lizards can grow up to 5 feet and feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits, and are extremely important seed dispersers in the coppice forest. They can be found on several Bahamian islands. So, the next time you're walking through the coppice forest, don't look at it as just a bunch of rocks and trees. It is an impressive ecosystem, teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest reptiles in the Bahamas. And Bahamian culture is strongly tied to the coppice too, as the trees and other plants have been used for lumber, food, and medicines. A true Bahamian experience would not be complete until you have had a chance to walk and explore the Bahamian Coppice.